Hello friends, this is Meeta Bhosle presenting a topic today, classification of network. As we know that network is the collection of interconnected computer system. When computer system gets interconnected to each other by means of transmission media for the purpose of exchange of information, it is referred to as network. Today we are going to see about the classification of network, how the network can be classified into different types. So the major types of networking are, networking can be used by the method which is called as biscale, which is further divided as LAN, local area network, CAN, campus area network, MAN, metropolitan network, WAN, wide area network. The network can also be classified with reference to protocol, and then further they are as network protocol or protocol stacks. Network can also be classified by the method by service provided, further divided into two types. The first one is SAN, which is storage area network, and process control network. The other classification of network includes the transmission techniques by means of which the network can be broadcast link or point-to-point link. The network can be classified by using the connection methods, which includes wireless LAN, home PNA, power line, and Ethernet. Other classification of network includes functional relationship, which can be further classified into three groups: active network, peer-to-peer networking, or client-server networking. The most classification is as per the topology used, and therefore network topology includes the bus topology, the ring topology, the star topology, and the mesh topology. Moving on to the next, and therefore see the basic two categories or major two categories by means of which we actually use the network. The two major classification of networks are by scale and by network topology. So these are the two widely used methods. Let me focus on the methods which we generally use when we make use of network. That is by scale. Now by scale, I repeat, it can be LAN, which is local area network. Here you can see the image of local area network. As you can see in the image, this is an idea of LAN, that is local area network. Then moving further to CAN, campus area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, and WAN, wide area network. So this is all about the classification of network. Thank you so much. I would